So welcome to the FEMS 2019 conference. We're in the FEMS 2021 booth. I have with us the first ever FEMS Ambassador to Japan, Ken-ichi Yoshida of Kobe University. And I would just like to ask you to introduce yourself a bit, talk about your research and your institution, and just fill us in a bit about your background.
Yeah, so I got started working with microbes more than 30 years.
Oh, wow.
And all the time I'm working with bacillus. And I made a postdoc in Paris 25 years ago. And later on, I got a good communication with the European friends. So that is why here I am.
Yeah, wonderful. I got a series of questions for you, and I think I might already know the answer. But what's your favorite microbe and why?
Well, as I told you, I'm all the time working with bacillus, especially Bacillus subtilis is my friend, probably for the life of my life. And this guy has high capacity to acquire DNA from outside to change himself.
Okay.
So this is the plasticity of genome. So this is fascinating for me. And not only that, it can have capacity to produce a lot of enzyme to be secreted outside to degrade a lot in circumstances. And also, it can change the shape of the cell to be a spore to survive extreme conditions. So then all those things is fascinating for me, so that's why I love it.
Cool, so he's hardy and he's got this exchange with the outside world.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think human beings should be like that.
Yeah, we should all be like that, shouldn't we? We should take some notes from bacillus. So my second question is, if you could make everybody in the world know one microbiological fact, what would it be?
Wow, that's a good question. Actually, I think microbes never die.
They never die.
Because they can divide and they can survive. And also they can enjoy such a huge diversity among us in nature. And sometimes they can get to be enemies to each other.
Yes.
But they can cooperate as well.
Okay.
So this kind of notion about diversity and also they're helping each other and also or sometimes we can have a conflict. However, they have the good reason to solve all the problems. So I think we should learn a lot from those
because the microbiological societies are not anything that people know much about outside of science, are they? That they talk to each other, that they have a community.
Yes.
They have little wars and factions.
Yes.
But they do end up solving many of their problems very efficiently.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I could say not only amongst the microbes, but also with the other organisms also. Like you can look at ourselves. So actually we are living together with a lot of microbes inside as well, on surface as well. So I think without them we cannot survive probably. So I think from this sense, I think ordinary people would understand how microbes are fascinating for work with them.
So we need them more than they need us.
Yeah, actually, we were helped for a long time, and probably we will. So, sometimes they can be harmful, but if we can make it control, I think we can have a real good harmony altogether.
Yeah, a wonderful harmonious relationship with the microbes in us and around us.
Yeah.
Who is your microbiological hero and why?
Okay, let me tell one name is Professor Jeffrey Ellington. He's now working in Newcastle.
Okay.
And actually he is one of the heroes who is working with the bacillus for a long time. And actually he is quite a good scientist, a good person, and also with a humor, and people love him a lot.
Okay. Well, thank you, Ken-ichi. I've had a fantastic time talking to you today.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
I hope you can be at FEMS 2021.
Sure.
And enjoy the rest of the conference, and it's been a pleasure.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.